Start healing. Practical step. Stop loading toxins into your body. Household cleaners, air fresheners and cleaning solutions. When used excessively in a small unventilated area, release toxic level of pollutants. This comes from two main chemicals called ethylene-based glycol ethers and turpentines. While the EPA regards the ethers as toxic by themselves, the non-toxic terpenes can react with ozone in the air to form a poisonous combination. Air fresheners in particular are linked to many volatile organic compounds such as nitrogen dioxide and some fresheners also containing paradichlorobenzene. Mothballs. Studies on one active ingredient in some repellents, paradichlorobenzene, found that it can cause cancer in animals. Other types of mothballs use naphthalene, which after prolonged exposure can damage or destroy red blood cells, and which can also stimulate nausea, vomiting and diarrhea. Baby bottles and BPA. Canada has taken the first step to outlaw the sale of baby bottles made from polycarbonate plastics, which are the most common type on the market. It has done so because the plastics are made with a chemical called bisphenol A, BPA. BPA has a structure very similar to estrogen and for that reason is referred to as hormone disruptor. Hormone disruptors can interfere with the natural human hormones, especially for young children. Flame retardants. Commonly used in mattresses, upholstery, television and computer casing and circuits boards, flame retardants use polybrominated diphenyl ethers, or PBDEs for short. Studies have linked PBDEs to learning and memory problems, lowered sperm count, and poor thyroid functioning. Other animal studies have indicated that PBDEs could be carcinogenic in humans. Chemicals in carpet. Volatile organic compounds, VOCs. The glue and dyes used with carpeting are known to emit VOCs, which can be harmful to your health in high concentrations. Pressed wood products. The glue that holds the wood particles in place may use urea formaldehyde as a resin. Formaldehyde exposure can set off watery eyes, burning eyes, and throat difficulty breathing and asthma attacks. Scientists also know that it can cause cancer in animals. Laser printers chemicals. A study of 2007 confirmed that laser and inkjet printers can release volatile organic compounds and ozone particulates. All of these have been linked with heart and lung disease. Electromagnetic pollutants. 100% of population on the world is affected biologically by EMF pollution. However, like smoking or asbestos, most will not feel the effects for years or even decades. EMF pollution affects the nervous, immune, and endocrine system. When so many vital systems of the body are affected at the same time, there will be multiple wide-range underspread symptoms like headaches, heart palpitations and pressures in the chest, skin burning, redness, rashes and tingling, difficulty sleeping, tinnitus or ringing in the ears, fatigue and tiredness during the day, cognitive decline, memory and concentration difficulties, brain fog, dementia will skyrocket in the wireless society, anxiety or tension within the body when the person is near a cell phone tower, cordless phone or Wi-Fi router, liability to heal quickly from virus, bacteria or parasite infections because the immune system is overtaxed, lightheadedness and vertigo, temporary inabilities to speak coherently, nausea, mood swings. The endocrine system governs the hormones is highly affected by EMF pollution, arm, finger and leg twitching, involuntary finger movements when exposed to microwave radiation from radio towers, depression, loss of productiveness, lighting efficiency. The problem with CFLs is they contain mercury, which is actually a very potent brain and neurotoxins. No amount of exposure is safe. In addition, CLF bulbs emit high amounts of electromagnetic radiation, which produces a strong electromagnetic field. The frequencies emitted from CFL bulbs are in the microwave range. What this means is every time you switch on a CFL, you are subjecting your body to a microwave-like environment. You wouldn't put your cat or a dog in the microwave, would you? Then why are you willing to spend countless hours living in a microwave yourself? Light-emitting diodes, LED bulbs, are the latest and the greatest in green lighting technology, so that should be used. Personal care products are loaded with toxic chemicals. The main ingredient in conventional deodorants, usually listed as aluminum chloride, and heavy metal that can cause brain atrophy, memory loss, nervous system degeneration, and even Alzheimer's disease. Parabens are the most widely used preservations in deodorants. The different variations of the types of parabens are methyl, ethyl, propyl, benzyl, and butyl paraben. These preservatives have been identified in countless breast cancer tumors biopsies. Phthalases, also called plasticizers, go into many products including hairsprays, shampoos, fragrances, and deodorants like BPA. These hormone-like chemicals are linked to reproductive and developmental problems. Because of these findings, California and Washington State have banned the use of phthalates in toys for younger kids. So our solution is, it's pretty easy to make your own personal care products. I will show you in next few videos. In the next video, I will present what health problems are caused by toxic ingredients in conventional laundry detergents.